Hey, Rahul, good morning.
Good morning, Amit. How are you today?
I'm good, just a little tired. Stayed up late last night.
Oh no. What were you doing so late?
I was watching a movie. It was really interesting.
Nice. Which movie?
It was Interstellar. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's amazing. So, what are your plans for today?
I have some work to finish, and then I might go out for a walk in the evening.
That sounds good. I'm planning to study for a bit and then relax.
Cool. Let's catch up later in the evening then.
Sure, call me when you're free.
Will do. Take care.
You too. Bye.